Welcome back. Keith Richards, born on December 18, 1943, is a renowned English musician and songwriter, widely known as the co-founder, guitarist, secondary vocalist, and co-principal songwriter of the Rolling Stones. His collaboration with Mick Jagger in songwriting is considered one of the most successful partnerships in musical history. Richards' influence extends over 6 decades, and his distinctive guitar playing style has become a hallmark of the Rolling Stones sound. Born and raised in Dartford, Kent, Richards studied at Dartford Technical School and Sidcup Art College. He formed a lasting friendship with Jagger, Bill Wyman, Charlie Watts, and Brian Jones, eventually joining the Rolling Stones. Richards is notable for being the only member, aside from Jagger, to sing lead on some of the band's songs. In addition to his role in the Rolling Stones, Richards has pursued solo projects, notably with his side project, The Expensive Wainos. He also made appearances in 3 Pirates of the Caribbean films as Captain Teague, a character inspired by Richards himself. Richards' impact on the music industry was recognized when he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1989 and the UK Music Hall of Fame in 2004. Rolling Stone magazine ranked him 4th on its list of the 100 best guitarists, and 14 songs co-written by Richards and Jagger made it to the magazine's 500 greatest songs of all time list. Throughout his life, Richards has faced various challenges, including health issues and dangerous situations. Notably, he battled depression after the loss of his son Tara in 1976. Despite numerous incidents, such as being electrocuted during a soundcheck, surviving a fire, and undergoing emergency brain surgery, Richards has often expressed a feeling of indestructibility. The tragic loss of Tara, who succumbed to sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, at 10 weeks old, deeply affected Richards. SIDS is the sudden and unexplained death of an apparently healthy baby, and it typically occurs in the first 6 months of life. Richards struggled with grief, but found solace in going on stage, a decision that, in his words, saved him from darker thoughts. While Richards acknowledges that he has never fully overcome his grief, he, along with his partner Anita Pallenberg, had 3 more children during their 12-year relationship. The NHS recommends placing babies on their backs to sleep and avoiding soft bedding to prevent SIDS, a condition that affects around 200 babies in the UK annually. Despite the challenges and tragedies in his life, Keith Richards remains an iconic figure in the music industry, known for his resilience, musical contributions, and enduring role in the Rolling Stones. Thank you for sharing this information. If you have any further updates or requests, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.